Good morning, and thank you for joining us for this CBS 19 This Morning update. I'm Clint Yates.
And I'm Dana Huey. The growing flu epidemic spreading throughout East Texas. Since December, hospitals have confirmed more than 1,000 cases of the flu in our area, with at least 10 deaths. People from several major hospitals and the Northeast Texas Public Health District held a forum on combating the flu yesterday at UT Health Northeast. They say it is still not too late to get your flu shot, and that even people who have already had a case of the flu could fend off another strain by getting vaccinated. If you're feeling sick, they say now is the time to get to your doctor.
The percentage of people who end up being hospitalized and the percentage of people who end up dying is a very small percentage. But when a huge percentage of the population gets the disease, that's going to translate into absolute numbers that are much bigger.
Hospitals continue to divert patients to other hospitals as they deal with a large number of patients. Flu season peaks in February, so as they mentioned, there is still time to protect yourself.
A bicyclist is dead this morning after being hit by a car in Longview. Now, this happened just before 7 last night at the intersection of Buchanan and Moberly. Witnesses say 53-year-old Ivory Jackson was hit after pulling out in front of a van. Jackson died from his injuries at the hospital, and that accident is still under investigation.
A warning this morning about a phone scam involving jury duty in Smith County. At least one person in the area has been fooled into thinking they owed fines for missing jury duty. That individual was asked to buy a prepaid money card, then provide the information over the phone. The county says you will not be contacted over the phone if you miss jury duty. If you get a call like this, call the Smith County Sheriff's Office immediately.
Well, don't be fooled by the warm temperatures this time yesterday. You'll probably want a jacket this morning.
Yeah, let's check in with Scott Fossey now. He has a look at your forecast.
Clint, Dana, your forecast today. On this Tuesday, we start off pretty chilly, mid-30s early this morning, warming into the lower 60s by lunchtime today. Expect highs to round out near about 66 degrees, dropping back down to around 64 by your drive home. Get another weak cool front in here this afternoon, early this evening. Behind it, a northwesterly wind, still breezy at 10 to 15 miles per hour. As you'll notice, though, all the moisture pooling out over the central plains, just not enough moisture here in the piney woods of East Texas to create any scattered showers as the front comes through this evening. Just a few high, thin, wispy clouds, mid-level clouds potentially along and ahead of the front. Otherwise, we're looking at a dry forecast not only today but for the next several days, with a series of cold fronts progressing across the Lone Star State. Get another one in here on Thursday, highs rounding out in the mid-60s before it arrives. Cooler behind the front on Friday. Another front in here Saturday. It comes through dry. Finally, a slight chance for showers in here on Martin Luther King Jr. Day next Monday with a high of 62.
Thank you, Scott. For the very latest all day long, go to CBS19.tv. You can also check out TylerPaper.com.
And join us later today for CBS 19 News at 5, 6, and 10 at 10. Have a great day.